chow mein is my favorite type.
Oh yes, because it has just a little bit of vegetable, just a little bit, okay? I will make it very simple that the kids will like it, and it's more of a noodle thing. But still, it has a little bit of
vegetables and just a little. I'm more of a fruit girl than a vegetable girl, so.
Now for my recipe, I'm making it very simple. Whatever I have in my refrigerator, and now I have this pechay, put vegetable in it. I have this green onion, and then I have the red onion. You can use also the white onion if that's what you have. Of course, garlic, and then I have the fish cake. You can use fishbowl also if you want. You can use another kind of meat if you want. I have the sprouted beans. I like the crunchiness that it gives to the chow mein that I will cook. Our water is boiling right now, and it's so ready for our chow mein. Ooh.
That looks good, Mommy.
Good. You think so?
Yeah.
Wait till it's cooked. All right, 10 seconds should start. And that's about it. The purpose of this is just basically rinsing this noodle in the hot waters. Now we'll just rinse it with cold water just to stop the cooking process. This is a rinsed noodle. It will sit here while we are preparing our other ingredients. Chopping time!
Yeah!
That's not the kind of chopping. We need a knife. Alright? So it will make it very fast and simple. I just take out the end of this one and then just little slices like that. See how fast that is?
Ooh, it's going right into the bowl in the sink.
And it's going straight. The next thing we're gonna slice are the fish cake.
Yeah!
It's Abby, I'm gonna give you a test.
What is it?
You should know these 3 ingredients.
What are these ingredients?
You tell me, what is the name of this?
So I think this one's called green onion.
Okay, very good. How
Red
about this
onion?
one? Red onion.
And this one I think is
This smells so good. We can fry this one.
garlic.
Garlic. All right, good job. Do you think Abby did good? 3 out of 3?
Maybe.
Maybe. Don't worry, Gabby is in a very safe distance from the fire.
Yeah.
It's pretty hot. So we're gonna put our oil. You will see a steam. Oh, we'll put our
This is steam.
I am working with a wok, so I am putting a lot of oil. And very basic. So onion first, up to you. You want onion first, you want garlic first. I do garlic first. Some seasoning there. You can see it. You don't want it too brown. Alright, that's perfecto. And onion.
Ooh, that's really steamy, Mommy.
Really sticky. Okay, now we're putting the fish cake. So this fish cake is already cooked. You're just refrying it, so you don't need too much time for this one. one. We'll put in it here, a little time.
Yay! The Philly. That's a lot. It's almost covering the whole entire thing.
You would think it's a lot, but not really.
Really?
Yeah. Now for this time, our noodles are a little bit dry. Slices time.
Yay! That's so fast. And this is really steaming. Really steaming.
And more oil. And change of weapon.
Change the weapon. Yeah.
Yeah.
I see the no. Yeah. Change the weapon.
I don't know if you can see it. Let me cover the light so you can see. There's that soy sauce. Soy sauce. You can see that. Yeah, it's getting to be clear. I mean, getting darker. That's the soy sauce. Very nice. I think our oil is just perfect.
Time to run.
And we never use MSG when I cook. So what I do just to enhance the flavor there is I use sugar, white sugar, a little bit of it. This is my MSG. So vegetable time, you think it's really a lot, but this will, how do you deflate? This won't be a lot when it's gonna cook as vegetable. So mostly the children eat the noodle and whatever is left, mostly the vegetable.
And the kids eat the noodles.
The kids eat the noodles. And the kids also eat a little bit of vegetable. There you go. Now you can mix it. I'm going to put the vegetable at the bottom. I'll have that nice heat. Now we'll cook it. Ooh, look at that. Alright, there we go. Nice and cooking. Ooh.
Almost a little big. Yeah, I just want to big. These noodles kind of look like Rapunzel's hair.
That is true.
The Rapunzel's hair is kind of lighter.
It's magic.
Yeah. Rapunzel's hair is there.
Alright, now we can taste maybe a little bit of it.
Ooh, I love.
This will be our final. You're gonna do it or me?
Me. I want to eat. I've been waiting inside the round to taste this.
What do you think? Needs salt? Needs, what does it need?
I need zero. This is zero.
I want my vegetable not overcooked. Just, you know, has a little crunch.
Is every ingredient covering over everything?
Let me see. I'll turn off the light if you can see it. There you go. I think they're gonna have a good light. There you go. Nice.
Mommy,
You think the bean sprout? Oh, that's fine. You think the bean sprout is a lot, but nope. Once it's cooked, it's just the right. See, it's almost disappeared already.
Yeah.
It just needs a little heat there. Looking good, baby. We have greens there. have the fish cake, your favorite.
What's
We
my
have the
favorite?
bean sprout that will
Actually, I think I changed my
Dude.
favorite. I think I changed my favorite. It's the noodles.
That was fast. Okay. There you go. As you can see, where are the vegetables? Barely there.
Taste test time!
Alright, let me plate some.
Well, my sister did it up. That's doing her class. Talking about class. So, it's the my 100th day of school. And
Do you want rice here?
nah, not very good. I probably won't eat the rice. Very good.
What do you think? Really good?
Yeah, very good.
Mm-hmm.
And this seems very good. I am eating in the top because in the top there is not much vegetables, and I think at the top there, and I think in the middle of the top here
That's a lot of top.
there is no vegetables, so I just want to eat those.
Earlier tried to give you more noodles than the vegetables. I understand your needs. Your likes and dislikes. Alright, enjoy!
Okay. I hope you like your own chow mein that you make. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! And don't forget to watch our other videos. Bye!